Hello dears, so today I am going to teach you how to make this little alphabet V, the 22nd alphabet, and I am using this 4-ply yarn and 4 mm hook, a darning needle and a scissor. So let's begin. So we'll make 24 chains. Slip knot and begin with 24 chains. So we are done with 24 chains, and into the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, we will double crochet. 1, 2, so we will double crochet 10 times. We are done with 10 chains, and in the 11th chain we did 10 double crochet, and then we are going into the 11th chain and making 5 double crochets in the same, going back into the same chain 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so that it becomes a V shape. Okay, so what we do is complete it. Now we go into the next chain and complete all the chains. So remaining chains we make double crochet. So here we go into the next chain, double crochet. So we are done with the alphabet V. You can see the shape of V, and then we slip stitch into the sleeping double crochet, snip it and fasten it, and cut the extra yarn. So here we are done with V. Hope it's looking like a V, and we are done with V. And here I made a mobile cover for my daughter. I'll be sticking this daisy onto it. My daughter's name starts with S. So here I made an S alphabet onto a mobile cover with a handle. So she'll be very happy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye. See you soon.